This is my YouTube channel. And friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Imisi Agbaniyaka, or my YouTube channel name, Imisi K. This is a combination of my shortened first name, like my nickname, and my middle name. Yes, Kyoko's middle name is Japanese for purity. I love it. This is my YouTube channel. Again, welcome. Now I'm actually looking where I'm supposed to. This is my first YouTube video. I've been wanting to do a YouTube for years, but I felt like there were all these people doing YouTube videos. And my therapist told me something. She was like, there are 1,001 people who can do what you do, but they'll never do it the way you do it. And it's 2020, and with everything that has happened this year, all the loss of Black lives, it just goes to show that life is so short. And I was like, no, I'm gonna do what I want to do and at least try it. And you know, the worst that can happen is no one watches this, and that's really actually not that bad. But anyway, that's if y'all see the light of day of this video. I don't know, we'll see. But anyway, Imisi K is going to be about fashion, lifestyle, just, you know, whatever I want it to be about. I am not going to pigeonhole myself into making my channel about one thing. But it'll most likely be a lot of fashion and style videos, because that is, you know, it's my first love. I really love clothes. But subscribe if you are interested in finding out more about me, more about my style. I have a lot of budget-friendly finds. I love cheap, beautiful, quality clothing. I love vintage handbags. I love mini handbags. I love all things fashion and style. So subscribe, turn your notifications on. I don't know when I'm gonna have another video, but turn them on. And let's get into the video. Today's video will be a unboxing video. I just don't want to show y'all my dress. But specifically, it will be a TELFAR unboxing. If you don't know what TELFAR is a luxury Black owned brand. Some people do not think it's luxury. I do, because this was expensive in my opinion. I'm not balling. I will be rich in Jesus' name, but it was expensive in my opinion. It is a luxury Black owned brand that does like kind of like leather goods. I think they use vegan leather. I don't think it's real leather. But they do leather goods. They do like hats now, belts. Most popularly known for their their shopper bags, the TELFAR bags. They're really, really nice. And people are going crazy for them. You know, we are all about supporting Black dollar. I've been supporting Black businesses forever, like forever, ever. Not new to this, true to this. Black designers, love y'all. But I actually wanted this bag like a year ago, but I was like, I cannot justify paying $150 for a bag that I can get a similar bag for like $20. But this year, since we are uplifting the Black dollar, I was like, you know what? I think I'm just gonna go ahead and splurge on it. People have been going crazy trying to get this bag. Or any color and size of the bag, as long as they get it. Today there was a TELFAR restock. I'm just trying to make sure I say the name right. There was a TELFAR restock, and like people went crazy. They crashed the site. It was just bananas. I'm happy I have one. I'm not gonna lie though, I tried to get another handbag. I did, because I want it in the mini pink. And I want one in the large Black for when we go back to the office. Who knows when we're going back because Corona. But I wanted those two particular bags. God was like, no honey, don't be greedy. You already got one. So yeah, I have one, so I'm gonna do an unboxing of it. I got the mini cream bag. When I got it in early June. It was not like what is going on last week and today, where people were like, fumbling and tumbling over the bag trying to get it. The restock email came in the morning. I think I saw it about an hour later, and I bought it. And it was just real simple. You know, there wasn't too much hubbubaloo about getting it, but now it's like a big deal. But anyway, so I'm just gonna go ahead and show you. It comes in a box like this. This is the box. I've already opened it. I watch YouTube videos a lot, but apparently you're supposed to first open it on camera. I just wanted to make sure everything was like what I asked for, so I still opened it just to see if the color and the size were right. But anyway, I'm gonna like fully get into the details. So it comes in a box like this. It opens like this, the box. And here is the bag. It comes in this plastic bag. Now I've seen some other Telfar unboxing videos, and the bag came in a dust bag, like a Telfar branded white and black dust bag. This did not come with a dust bag. I think the dust bag started with this special edition, like chrome, like metallic color bags. So yeah, I don't really care. It's fine. I have dust bags I can put the bag in. But it comes in this plastic bag. This is what mine came in, a plastic bag. And then you pull it out. As you can see, I already opened it. And then it comes in this kind of like this janky dust bag. I don't really care. I'm just happy I got it. It comes in this bag. And then when you take it out, ta-da! It's so pretty. First of all, it smells like leather. But it looks like this, and it has the Telfar tag on it. Can you see it? Can you see it? Oh no, it's not focusing. Like you actually can't see it. Okay, whatever. Anyway, it comes with this tag. It's pretty small. I like my bag small. I've been into mini bags forever. Like, so I like my bag small. Oh, it has the tag inside. It has the tag, the Telfar tag inside of it. And it's just kind of that. And then it has a button closure. If you can hear that, it has a button closure. I'm going to take this off. So it has this long strap. I never use the straps on my bags because I love top handle bags, but it has this long strap. And then there's the bag. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my god, I love it, guys. It has the logo right there. The logo. Really, really, really cute. Very, very cute. Definitely grab one if you can. I know it's like a sore topic for a lot of people, but I'm just gonna show you how I'm gonna style, like how I would style my bag. Really casual outfit, nothing too fancy. We're in a pandemic. If I were gonna go grab lunch with my boyfriend or a friend, or if I were going to go grab some ice, just something chill. You know, we're not really out here in these streets trying to catch corona, but I'll show you how I would style the bag. And yeah, so let's get into that part. All right, so this is the outfit. I have this bodysuit. It's from Amazon. It's really cute and strappy. It is like this nude color. And then I'm wearing these shorts from Fashion Nova. They're like these cutoff shorts. They're really, really cute. They're like a more modest length that I think, you know, they just look good. And then these shoes from Boohoo, they kind of remind me of the Buffalo shoes. Really, really cute. So I just went with some neutrals. Sorry, that's my TV at the side. And there's the bag. So I think this is a really cute outfit that you could just wear real quick when you're going out. If you're going on a little pandemic day and you want to be casual, you know, get your mask, wear your mask. Or you're like going over to your friend's place or something. I mean, we're all supposed to be quarantining, but anyway, yeah, this would be a cute casual outfit to wear out there with your Telfar mini bag. Yeah, so I'm going to show you what it will look like with heels, which I think would dress it up a little bit. Next, we have it with the heels. Super cute. Like, it just really elevates the outfit when you wear heels. Those creepers, the shoes that you can see in the mirror, those also just add height. I am 5 feet tall, so they add height. But yes, this is also very cute. If I didn't already mention it before, Amazon, Fashion Nova, these heels are from Amazon, Telfar. Really, really cute. I also didn't show my accessories, but we can see them in the mirror. These earrings are from Fashion Nova. They're really cute. And then this necklace is also from Amazon. I would not wear this makeup again with this look, but yeah, so very nice, very casual. If you're about to go chill at someone's house during the pandemic, you could do it in this fit. These heels are pretty comfortable. I definitely would not wear them from hours on end, but they kind of look a little bit like the Yeezy dupes. But they're very, very cute. And yeah, so that's everything. Thank you so much for tuning in. Hopefully I will have more content coming soon. Let me know if this outfit in the mirror situation is okay, because I know people like to see people try on things with a tryout pod. My space is not really allowing for that. And I have this cute mirror. So hopefully this is okay with everybody. Let me know. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.